Dreaming of turquoise waters, golden beaches, and islands that feel like they were made for paradise seekers? The Greek islands aren't just historic, they're heavenly. But among the hundreds of islands scattered across the Aegean and Ionian Seas, a few stand out for their truly tropical vibes. Let's take a journey to 5 of the most tropical-feeling Greek islands you absolutely need to visit. Zakynthos. Zakynthos is home to the breathtaking Navagio Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, framed by towering cliffs and soft white sands. But it's not just the beach that steals the show. The blue caves shimmer with magical light, and the island's lush interior, dotted with olive groves and cypress trees, gives Zakynthos a vibrant tropical edge. You'll find sea turtles in the clear Ionian waters and sunsets that paint the sky in fiery tones. Skopelos. Skopelos is often called the greenest island in Greece, and it's easy to see why. Pine-covered hills roll down into quiet coves and crystal waters, giving this island its lush, exotic feel. Skopelos is also known for its peaceful charm. No flashy nightlife, just authentic tavernas, hidden beaches, and unspoiled nature. It's the perfect escape if you want tropical beauty without the tourist crowds. Kefalonia. Kefalonia combines dramatic coastal views with soft, sandy shores. Myrtos Beach, often ranked among Europe's best, is where steep cliffs drop into dazzling blue waters. The island's tropical look comes from its mix of forested mountains and surreal beachscapes, making it a dream for beach lovers and adventurers alike. Milos. Milos is the secret paradise you've been waiting for. With its volcanic landscape, the island boasts surreal rock formations, warm springs, and dozens of remote beaches, each with a unique personality. Sarakiniko Beach, in particular, looks like a moon meets Mediterranean mashup. Milos feels raw, untouched, and perfectly tropical in the most unconventional way. Ios. Yes, Ios is famous for its nightlife, but don't overlook its softer side. Mylopotis Beach offers golden sands and calm, clear waters that stretch for days. Palm trees sway in the breeze, beach bars play chill music, and the sunsets here are unforgettable. It's where tropical style meets Greek energy. These islands may not sit on the equator, but they bring the heat, color, and calm of the tropics to the Mediterranean. Whether you're chasing adventure, relaxation, or postcard-perfect beaches, these Greek tropical gems have it all. Let us know in the comments, which of these islands would you escape to right now?